Hello everyone, myself Adrian, and today I'll be presenting on the UAE space program and the Hope probe mission. This project highlights how the UAE has become a global leader in space exploration. The UAE space program represents a huge leap for the Arab world in science and technology. It was launched not just to explore outer space, but also to inspire Emirati youth to study science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM. This program builds the next generation of innovators and scientists who will lead the UAE into the future. The main goals of the program are simple but powerful: to make the UAE a regional leader in space science, to inspire young Arabs to pursue STEM, and to strengthen national skills in satellite design, engineering, and data research. All of this supports the UAE's larger vision of becoming a global hub of innovation. The Hope probe, known as Al Amal in Arabic, was launched on July 19, 2020, and successfully entered Mars's orbit on February 9, 2021. That achievement made the UAE the fifth country in the world and the first in the Arab world to reach Mars. It's a symbol of the UAE's determination and scientific growth. Main mission is to study the atmosphere of Mars. It collects data about temperature, hydrogen, oxygen, and dust to help scientists understand how Mars's weather works. The UAE also shares this information globally, contributing to the entire world's understanding of space science. The UAE's space journey didn't stop with the Hope probe. In 2018, it launched Khalifa Sat, the first satellite fully designed and built in the UAE. In 2019, astronaut Hazal Mansouri became the first Emirati to travel to space. The Emirates Mars mission also provided valuable data for the world's researchers. These achievements paved the way for future lunar missions and even deeper space exploration. UAE's astronauts are true pioneers. Hazza Al Mansouri made history as the first Emirati in space in 2019. Sultan Al Niyadi followed by spending 6 months aboard the International Space Station and performing the first ever Arab spacewalk. Nora Al Matrushi became the first female Emirati astronaut, and Mohammad Al Mullah is currently training with NASA for future missions. Together, they represent courage, innovation, and national pride. The UAE space program thrives on international cooperation. The UAE has worked with NASA, the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center, and top universities around the world. These partnerships show that the UAE's contributions are not just national, they are global. These missions inspired thousands of young Arabs to dream big. It boosted the UAE's reputation in science and technology and encouraged more students to study engineering and space sciences. The Hope probe is a reminder that education and curiosity can take a nation beyond its borders, even to space. Here are a few quick facts. The Hope probe travels around Mars once every 55 hours, moving at a speed of about 121,000 kilometers per hour. It weighs roughly 1,350 kilograms and remains the first Arab led mission to reach another planet. An incredible feat for the country that's only a few decades old. So, the Hope probe is more than a mission. It's a story of vision, teamwork, and national pride. It shows that no dream is too big for a country determined to achieve it. The UAE has proven that innovation and perseverance can take us quite literally to new worlds. But before we end, let's have a quiz. Question 1. When did the Hope probe reach Mars' orbit? The correct answer would be 2021. Question 2. Who was the first Emirati astronaut in space? The answer is Hazza Al Mansouri. Question 3. What is the first entirely UAE built satellite? The answer is Khalifa Sat. Good job if you got them right. Thank you.